Hey everyone, I just wanted to talk about how to publish a book for free and make money in your first day of publishing on Amazon. Okay, I'm Alicia. Um, I I'm going to show you the book that I actually published, and I just took it out of the package because I had ordered the book from Amazon, and this is the book that I published in 2017. If y'all are not familiar, Amazon has a KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing platform, where you can self-publish your book for free. And I will make a part two of this video, just to give you more detailed information. I'm gonna go to the computer. I'm gonna show you information on the computer how to do it. But this particular book that I wrote, it's from journalism to the Innocence Project, second edition. I wrote another edition of this particular book. Here's a photograph of me on the back. But yeah, how you do it is you sign up for KDP, the Kindle Direct Publishing. And guys, I remember when I first um, started this, I didn't know much information. Last year, I got this thought in my head because I was watching a YouTube video of a young lady here, Shonda, and I'll leave her information below. She's a life coach, and I'll link her video down below. She said she self-published a book, and I was like, oh great. And she said that she did it through Create a Space, and all she did was pay $2. And I was like, what? For the actual proof. And I was like, wait a minute, I haven't heard of that, because normally self-publishing, throughout the years, even like when I was a teenager and in my early 20s, I kept hearing, like years and years ago, how much money it would cost, and it can be right pricey to publish a book. And so I was like, hold up. I was like, wait a minute. I was like, you mean to tell me it was like only $2? But you don't have to get a book. You don't have to get a proof. You can actually look, a physical proof. You can actually see the proof on screen, so you can proof your book that way. And you don't have to get a physical copy. But I didn't go through Creative Space. I went through Kindle Direct Publishing, which is good. As far as like the publisher information, it says independent publishing versus Creative Space. That's the difference. Um, so yeah, guys. For more information, videos like these about writing and that sort of thing, I also will post information on, blogging, and then also, to help out medical students with, getting passive income on this channel. So, subscribe to my channel. I'm Alicia Menzie. This is my second channel. My first channel is Alicia Menzie. You can check that out. I'll leave the information down below in the description bar. But yeah, I just wanted to explain to you guys about the Kindle Direct Publishing, and because Amazon.com is so popular, your book can rank and someone can publish your book in one day. You get reviews for your book and that sort of thing. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the second video of, as far as publishing is concerned. So yeah, so make sure you subscribe to my channel to get updates on publishing and passive income, residual income. Specifically, I'm gonna do, like, for medical students, some videos for medical students. So yeah, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can get updates. I hope y'all have a great day, a great week, and I will talk to you later. Yeah, get like I was saying, get your book published for free. get money the first day you publish it. Everything is quick. It takes they can prove your book Amazon within a day. So yeah. All right, guys, subscribe for updates. Bye.